Hello and welcome to Yoga with Lena. I'm Lena, and today we're doing a class for strength and energy, where if you're feeling a bit lethargic, tired, exhausted, even stressed, this is the class for you. So roll out your mat and let's get started. So let's just come standing on the mat to bring strength and energy into the class, into our minds, into our bodies. Placing one hand on the heart, one hand on the belly. Deep breaths here. And breathe out. One more deep breath in. This time allow the breath to flow all the way down to your belly. And as you breathe out, just feel yourself letting go. Another deep breath in. Again, all the way down to your belly. And as you breathe out, feel your shoulders drop in. One more deep breath in. And as you breathe out, feel yourself becoming just present on the mat right now, right here, ready to build strength and energy. And then taking the other hand that's on the heart towards the belly, taking the breath all the way down to your belly again. Feel it inflate as you breathe in. And as you breathe out, feel it just fall. Breathe in again. And breathe out. Keep breathing. Breathing helps to nourish your organs, calm your mind, relax, and even energize the body. One more deep breath in. And breathe out. Relax your hands by your side. Gently open your eyes if your eyes are closed. We're going to start off with sitting into chair pose. And just taking our bottom back as far as we can and taking our hands out, stretching up, taking a deep breath in, stretch, stretch, stretch. Spread your toes, spread your fingers, stretch. We want to wake up our bodies. We want to build strength and energy. This is wonderful to do that. And then breathe in, one more stretch up, and then coming up as you breathe out. And then taking our hands up as we take one leg back, coming into a lunge, breathing in and stretching up. And then bringing our hands down like this. Then breathing in, stretching up. Breathing out, hands coming down. One more time, breathe in, stretch up. Breathe out, bringing hands down. Let's take the leg, bring it forward. Take the other leg back. Breathe in, stretch up. This time breathing out, bringing hands down. Breathe in, hands up. Breathe out, hands down. One more time, breathe in, hands up. Breathe out, hands down. And staying where you are, and then coming into this pose. It is called warrior. And how does a warrior stand? Warrior stands really, really strong, ready for their day, standing in their strength. And then bringing the toes in front. Let's go over to the other side. Stretch, stretch, stand like a warrior. Think about how you want your day to go, standing in strength and energy. And then cartwheeling hands down, bringing the front foot back, coming into downward dog. Now you can have your heels touching the mat or not, it doesn't matter. You might want to pedal your feet here, just waking up the body, moving it in a way that works for you, and then taking it from side to side if that works. And then we're going to come into plank. Really strong. Now, if this is too much, bring your knees down. One more time, bringing it up. And then coming back down into plank. And again, coming up. And then coming down. And bringing your knees down. Bringing your toes touching. And just coming down, taking a breath. Maybe you have your hands in front or in prayer, or even bringing it behind you. Deep breaths here. Keep breathing deeply. Breathing helps to energize, nourishes the organs, calms the mind, brings energy to the body. If you'd like to know more about how to incorporate breathing into your life, I've created a resource for you. The description for that is below. And then taking your hands in front, spreading your fingers, bringing the hands beside your head, and then pushing yourself up, back into downward dog, and then walking your hands towards your feet, coming up slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae, and then standing strong. Feel yourself grounded into the earth. Be closing your eyes. And then gently open your eyes and stretch up. Just taking a deep breath here. Breathing in, breathing out, and then coming down. Again, closing your eyes or having a soft gaze on a point. Feeling your practice in your body. See what's going on. Do you feel energized? Do you feel sensations in the body? How do you feel? Are you ready for your day? Bringing your hand to your heart, gently tapping if you wish, and just saying, I am ready for my day. I am full of energy and strength. Again, I am ready for the day. I am full of energy and strength. One more time, just feeling ready for your day. I am ready for the day. I am full of energy and strength. And then gently opening your eyes if they're closed. Thank you so much for joining me in this class. I hope you enjoyed it. Do share it with anyone who could do with some energy and strength. And I look forward to practicing with you again. Until next time, namaste.